In our first video, we have discussed that population is not evenly distributed, that is uneven. In some areas it is more and in some areas it is very less. So why this is so? What are the factors that determine distribution of population? First of all, we will discuss the geographical factors that determine the distribution of population. First factor is topography. Topography means upper surface of the earth. People prefer to live in plains rather than mountains and plateaus because life in plain is very easy. Plains having means of livelihood, fertile areas, industries are developed, means of transport communication are available. So every facility is provided in plains. Like Ganga plains are the densely populated area of the world, while mountains like Andes, Alps, Himalayas are sparsely populated because mountain areas are not having facilities of life and the agriculture is not much developed. Industries are not much developed there. Means of transport and communication are not available. Other facilities of life are also very few, so people prefer to live in plain areas rather than on mountains and in plateau areas. Second factor is climate. People usually avoid extreme type of climate. Extreme means very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Like Sahara Desert, polar areas, Russia, Canada, and Antarctica. These areas have extremely cold climate, so people do not like to live in the areas which are extreme climate, very hot or very cold. Third factor is soil. Fertile soil is suitable for agriculture. Like plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Hwangho, China, uh, Hwangho in China, and Nile River Valley in Egypt are densely populated areas because they are dwelled by fertile soil of rivers. So they are very suitable for agriculture. Next factor is water. People prefer to live in areas where fresh water is easily available because water is our uh, most important thing in life. So where the fresh water is available, people prefer those areas to live. Like river valleys are densely populated and deserts are sparsely populated because deserts are not having fresh water resources. Next factor is minerals. Areas where mineral deposits are found, those are also densely populated areas because people find jobs there, means of livelihood are easily available. Like diamond mines in South Africa and oil fields in Middle East are densely populated areas. People settle there, they get job there. So these are the factors which provide dense population. Some social, cultural and economic factors are also help to dense population in areas. Like areas of better housing, education and health facilities are more densely populated. So the metropolitan cities like Pune, Mumbai, Kolkata, they are densely populated because those areas have better conditions to live, housing facilities, education and health facilities are developed there, so people prefer those areas. Cultural factors: the place which have cultural importance are densely populated, like religious places, Varanasi, Jerusalem, Vatican City. These are examples where religious places are developed and those areas are densely populated. Economic factors also affect density of population. Industrial areas provide employment opportunities. So large number of people live in the areas where industries are developed. For example, Osaka in Japan, Mumbai in India are densely populated areas because those areas are industrial areas. So people get job in industries. Means of transport and communication are also developed in industrial areas. So people prefer those areas to live.